I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings and navigating straight to Accounts, right arrow your info. This gets you where picture changes happen. Make sure you know if you're using a local account or Microsoft account because syncing behaves differently. If you plan to use your camera, position it and check lighting first. If using a file, have a high-quality JPG or PNG ready. Once ready, click the camera icon to take a photo or browse, for one to upload, and proceed to the next screen. Now you'll choose how to set the image. Click Camera to capture a fresh photo or browse for one to upload from your files. If using camera, grant permission when Windows prompts and follow on-screen framing guidance. Once satisfied, accept the shot. If uploading, navigate File Explorer to the correct folder and select the image, then use the preview to crop or reframe so it appears centered. Make sure the preview shows the right framing and click Confirm to apply the change. Finish by signing out and signing back in so the new image updates in the lock screen and Start menu. This forces the UI to refresh. If you use a Microsoft account, give it a few minutes to sync and verify by checking Account. Microsoft.com. If the picture doesn't appear, retry with a different file, PNG or JPG or smaller file size, and if using camera, go to Settings, right arrow Privacy, right arrow Camera to reset permissions and test again. That should resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.